Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing. We still love you, everybody.
Waffle doggy, waffle doggy, waffle doggy. You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog. You are.
Hey, Mom.
So good to see you.
Oh, you too.
Hey Zoe, hi.
When Zoe came over to help Doug with a school project about Alaska.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, it's heavy.
Here, give us a hand with these, Doug. Thank you.
My mum and I were out school shoe shopping.
So Evie's out shopping with Jess for school shoes?
Yes, after Waffle chewed the first pair.
Oh, dear.
Oh, he's teething at the moment.
Oh,
Come out of Zoe's snow boots. Remember your golden paw chart.
What's the golden paw chart?
This.
Every time he's well behaved, he gets a golden paw, and when he gets to 7, he gets a treat.
Very nice.
Yeah, and you won't be getting any treats unless you're well behaved at the shoe shop today.
You're taking Waffle to a shoe shop?
Yeah, he'll be good. Right. I'm off to meet Evie and Jess and leave you to it.
All right, then.
Oh, Waffle! Enjoy learning about Alaska.
Bye.
Take care.
Oh, look. Oh, you made it.
Yes. Waffle's very excited. Oh, look.
Oh yeah, they look like Mrs Hobbs' slippers.
Oh, yeah.
Not for you, though.
Oh. Oh.
They're nice, but they're not quite schooly. No, that one's good.
Oh, slippers. Oh,
No.
slippers.
Oh, no, absolutely not. Oh. Have you got him? Just. Oh.
Come on, Waffle. Good boy.
Hello.
Sorry about all this.
Definitely lost your golden paw sticker, Waffle. So sorry. That is not very good behaviour, is it? No more slippers, understood?
Yes. Oh.
I know you're teething, Waffle, but you really cannot chew any shoe in this shop. Do you understand?
Chew?
No, Waffle.
Listen, if you want another golden paw sticker, no more chewing. Got it?
Got it. Don't chew.
Right. Now you can help Evie find some new school shoes like the ones that you chewed yesterday.
Okay. Shoes.
Oh, no.
What an unusual dog.
Yep. His name's Waffle. He can talk. And he really loves shoes.
Oh,
And
yeah,
boots.
shoes.
And slippers.
Shoes.
Oh. Well, come on, Waffle. Sit down. Let's measure your feet, eh? Come on.
Oh.
Come on, then.
I really like measuring my feet. I'm a size 10, Waffle.
Let's see what size you are, Waffle. Now then, up here. Paw. That's it. And that goes round. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm afraid we've got nothing in your size, sir. Is there anything else I can get for your family instead?
Shoes.
Yes, of course. We're actually looking for a pair of school shoes for Evie. They look a little bit like this.
Waffle chewed them.
Ooh. Doggy Waffle. What a terrible thing to do to a pair of shoes.
There's the other half.
I'm afraid we've not got this style of shoe in your size anymore, Evie. We've sold out.
Don't worry about it, Evie. Look, there's loads of shoes to choose from up here.
Yeah, look, there's lots.
Look.
I'll check the stockroom for something similar in your size too, Evie.
Nice.
while we were busy looking for my school shoes.
That's some wellies. Oops.
We weren't watching Waffle.
Oh. Wow. Shoes. Yummy. Shoes. Oh. Oh. Yum, yum, shoes. Shoes, yum, yum. Yummy, yum, yum. Shoes.
There we are. Now, how do those feel?
Huh?
They feel fine, but they just don't look as nice as the ones that Waffle chewed.
Oh. Evie, shoes. Oops.
Look for Evie's size in the stock room. Oh. Oh no, Waffle.
Sorry?
Waffle, what have you done?
Oh, no, Waffle. You've got to tidy all this up.
What have you done?
Evie, shoe. Oh.
Aw, I love this shoe.
Hold on then, let's try them.
Did you choose this for me, Waffle?
Yes.
There we are. Right. Oh, yes. They fit well, Evie.
Got new school shoes now.
You have. That's great, Evie. Well done, Waffle. Maybe you'll get a golden paw after all.
Yes, okay, but not until we've tidied up all of the shoes in that storeroom. Come on, Waffle.
Yeah.
There we go. And... Oi. There we go. Well done.
Oh, well done, Brooklyn Bells. That's brilliant. Okay. Right, let's get your shoes paid for, Evie.
Yeah.
Let's go home.
Good idea.
I'll look for that size in the stock.
Hi.
Oh, thank you. It's tidier in here than it's ever been. Thank you especially to you, Waffle. Do you know, if you hadn't made all that mess, this wonderful tidy up in my stockroom would never have happened. What a dog you are, eh?
Golden paw?
Oh, I'm afraid you'll have to ask your owner about the golden paw sticker, Waffle. Now go on. I'm here to find this shoe in a size 9. It's so tidy. Right, now, here is the shoe.
Oh, right, size 9. I'll find a size 9.
Size 9 is...
Got it!
Oh! No! Whoa. No! No! What?
Oops.
Waffle?
Size 9.
You're such a clever dog. Such a clever dog you are.
Hello. We're home.
Hey. We're all school shoed up. How did the Alaska homework go?
Welcome to Alaska. I'm a polar bear, and Mum thought the best way to learn about Alaska was to go there. So we made our house into Alaska.
Yes, we did! And I'm a walrus!
Look at my new shoes, Zoe.
Oh, wow.
Waffle helped me pick them.
Good boy, Waffle. Did you get a golden paw?
Yeah.
Not so fast, Waffle. I don't think this golden paw chart works for you. I think you, pup, need a different kind of reward for good behaviour.
Oh, what?
So...
Slippers!
Slippers?
Now, every time you're a good boy, you can have a sniff of these slippers, but please, no more chewing.
Oh, he really isn't chewing them.
Yeah.
Wonder why. Come here for a second. Let me see. Yes, your tooth has cut through, Waffle.
Good boy.
No more chewing.
I have got a wobbly tooth of my own.
Wow.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, yes you do.
Oh, and look at me. I've got wobbly tusks. Yeah, to the walrus cave.
At last, Waffle had stopped chewing everything. My new school shoes were safe for now.
Two husky dogs.
Ready?
Let's go.
Everybody!